Sports fans, it's Thursday, January the 5th. Your main man, Chad Chase here. Free Pick Video Blog. Report 31-14-1. Guys, yesterday, NBA, Minnesota did not show up. I don't know what they thought in the fourth quarter by not putting up any points, but let me tell you one thing. Your man, Chad Chase, is back today. I know the video was not up for some reason. YouTube had technical difficulties, but I'm working every single minute that I can to get this updated. If you ever need a free pick, just email me at freepicknation@gmail.com, and I will take care of you with that free play of the day. Also, guys, I'm taking it back to the college basketball hardwood tonight. Purdue versus Penn State. Let me give you a little game analysis on this game tonight. We got Purdue at 12-3. They're playing, obviously, Penn State. Penn State is at home. They're posting an 8-7 overall record. This Penn State team has lost 5 of the last 7 games. They are on a very big downfall. They're 3-6 against the spread. I'm telling you guys right now, the road team is a victor in this game. Purdue comes into this contest 12-3, 8-5 against the spread. They won 5 out of the last 6. I'm telling you right now, they lead the series 26-10 out of 36 games played. They've won the last 6 meetings. Guys, tonight, we're going with Purdue minus the 7. Easy winner over Penn State. Yesterday, guys, I released another blank check game, the first blank check game of the year. And what happens? Cha-ching! I got my victory cigar back out because it was such a huge winner. Guys, I'm telling you right now, this is going to be a giant weekend. I'm running a special right now. $99 for the weekend gives you all of my NFL playoff games, my college bowl games, plus my basketball. Guys, I'm running a special $2.99 for the rest of the NFL football season. I'm even running an NBA special right now where you can get the rest of the NBA season. Guys, all you got to do, pick up the phone, give me a call direct, 702-423-6192. Let your man Chad Chase go to work for you. And I promise you right now, I won't let you down. I want to thank all 50 signups yesterday. Guys that came aboard for a one-day, tried it out. And what happens? We had a huge victory with the blank check game. Look forward for the blank check game next week. I am telling you right now, you want to start winning in the month of January, you need to come aboard. I'm running a monthly special. You go to my packages page, you take the 30-day special, and I'm telling you right now, you will see a huge profit. You'll even be at my Super Bowl party that I'm having in Las Vegas. Guys, this is the time of year where we make big bankrolls over here. Everybody that comes aboard for January, I guarantee you, will be with me for February's basketball as well as next year's football. Guys, the way to win is by coming aboard with the Free Pick Nation VIP service. This is what it's all about. This is how we make a profit each and every day. I'm not just a guy coming on here ranting and raving on the internet with a toupee and telling you guys that I'm, God forbid, on this huge run. All of my stats are legit. Everything I'm doing has been documented. You go back to every single one of my video blogs, you will see why I'm 31-14-1. VIP right now, 28-12-1. My bowl run, 14-5-1. I mean, guys, I am assassinating bookmakers, casinos, offshores, you name it. We are collecting. And the one thing I'll tell you right now, January is going to be the largest month of the year. Guys, pick up the phone, 702-423-6192. Come aboard. I had 50 signups yesterday just for the blank check game. And what happened? Everybody collected. Guys, your man Chad Chase here, signing off for the Free Pick Video Blog. Remember one thing, Free Pick Nation, the #1 sports information firm in the world.